Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your birthday on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram is a free instant messaging software born in 2013. Its main feature is the end-to-end unscripted video calling service and secret chat. This app has rapidly grown in popularity with about 500 million monthly active users. And you can add your birthday on your Telegram. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add your birthday on Telegram. But what if you want to change? Maybe you make a mistake and want to edit your birthday. It's so simple. So first, you can open your Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on my profile. Here's your birthday. You can just tap on that. Tap on change. Here's you can change your birthday. I change my birthday like this. Now tap on save. So your birthday has been changed. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your birthday on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!